You're looking at a 2019 Tesla Model X long range, 6-passenger, all electric, dual motor, all-wheel drive with 32,000 miles. This vehicle comes fully loaded, ABS, traction, stability control, full power options, autopilot. 32,000 original miles, still under full factory warranty. Front trunk storage, ABS, traction, stability control. I think I just said those. Heated leather seats. Navigation, backup camera, MCU2 for Netflix. Heated seats in all rows, heated steering wheel. We've got premium sound, heated steering wheel, heated wipers, adaptive suspension. Absolutely no stories. Everything's working perfectly. Full power, including the six rows. All the 6 seats are powered. Falcon doors work perfectly. If you push this, the front seat pushes forward so people can get in and get out. Push it back. Everything works on both sides. Falcon door. Vents, rear vents, third row seats, same thing here. Power button. I'm not gonna push it right now, just I don't want to bore you guys. But no dog hair, no burn holes, just a fresh off-lease vehicle from Tesla. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.